Hello, and today I'm gonna show you how to connect to the MySQL database. And my name is Roxanne, so let's get started. Right here, I just have a simple login form with a username and password. Let's submit button. And so here is my simple markup I made with Bootstrap. Okay, so let's get started. All you do is open up some PHP tags above your markup, your HTML. And so what we want to do is check for the username and password values. If I'm just going to test it out to see if the values are going to be outputted to the screen. Okay, so we're going to use the SF function with the post super global. So $_post, and we're checking for submit. So we're checking for the username, password. So I'm gonna create two variables for username. Don't forget my post. Don't forget the post. Almost forgot it. So the username. And you want to make sure that the values here, right here, I'm getting the username. This is where I'm putting it right here. So you want to make sure the username, everything down here is like correct and typed correctly. So username, and I want to check for the password. So post super global, and then password. Okay, so what I want to do is output the values, whatever I type in the username box and the password box, and it's gonna be right above. Okay, so I'm gonna echo out username and password. Okay, let's see what happens. So let's just type some random things in here. Right there. Okay, so we know that we're getting values when you click on the submit button. So it's working fine. Now, let's actually connect to the database. So what I'm going to do is that right under the password here, this is how I do it. I create a variable for the database. In this case, whatever the name of your database, mine is called login app. So I want to show you where I got it. If you look in your, not that, but if you look in the localhost PHP my admin, and then you click on, okay, on the left hand side, you see here, it's a login app. That's the one I wanna actually access, because I wanna access the users table right here. As you can see, I already have some username and passwords right here. Okay, let's go back to the code. I was just showing you that where I got the name of the database. Okay, and so next is that you wanna make a variable, and you wanna put it here, and then you wanna use the MySQL connect function. It used to be MySQL connect, and now it's MySQL connect function, and you're going to pass in about 4 parameters. One is for the localhost, your server, then your username goes here, but in this case it's root, because if you're using XM or MAM for Apache, it's root, and then password, which is left blank, and then the name of your database. In this case I put it in a variable, so it's just DB semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check it if the connection is, if you're connected. Okay, connection. So if connection, then what you want to say is that if we're connected, then I'm going to say a message like we are connected. Okay, or else if we're not connected, we're going to use the function die, and that'll stop everything, and then it'll output connection failed. You can put it whenever you want, but I'm gonna put it at. So let's check it. Let's save, refresh. It already says connected, but then let's see if we really are. So I'm gonna just put in some random things. Alright, so we are connected. It works. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and leave me in the comments below if you really liked it, or you learned this was useful for you. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will try to post another video about connecting to the MySQL database, and maybe next time I will put out something about like securing the database, something like that. Actually, there's more logic to it, so I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.